Well, what do you do when you have an overlay in California? You go to Disneyland. Here we are at the one and only Disneyland Resort, here for Pixar Fest. First time back at Disneyland since last summer when we did our little California trip. But guys, it's gonna be a lot of fun, so let's head on into the park bright and early. The park is just now opening up, 8 o'clock now. Let's head right on inside. Now, despite Pixar Fest obviously being in full swing here at the resort, we're actually heading over to Hyperspace Mountain because I've never done that version of the ride, only done the OG, but we're heading straight there and I can already see the main marquee walking right up.
This is Blue Leader, all waves reported. Blue 6 standing by. Evasive maneuvers. Going in.
That was cool.
Welcome to hell.
When I die, I want to be reincarnated as a Disney duck. That'd be nice. Now, speaking of Pixar Fest, it does look like they have some limited time merchandise, which looks very nice. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at some of that in just a moment. We're up here by the front entrance in the main emporium. To start things off, they've got this nice baseball hat right here that does say 2024 on it. This one goes for $29.99. And then they've got this nice hoodie right here, again saying the year on it. And then a look at the back. Very nice. And it does have the Luxo ball alignment on the inside of the hoodie as well. Then around here you've got a nice ringer tee, some mugs. What are these? Coasters? Yeah, I think these are coasters for $24.99. A nice little hat right there. Some tumblers and water bottles. And then a tote bag. And then you got this nice Spirit jersey right here with turning red on the front and some other Pixar characters turning over. You got the nice Pixar Fest logo on the back. Very nice. And then of course, how can you forget about the munchlings on top? Okay, so now after spending some time over at Disneyland and riding a few rides, we've decided to hop on over now to Disney California Adventure Park and see what they have going on over here. They got a lot more decorations going on here for Pixar Fest. This is definitely where it's at. And not a surprise, they've got Cars Land, they've got Pixar Pier here, a lot more Pixar-based attractions, which definitely allows them to go all out for this event, this special limited time event here at the park. Well, we found Ratatouille, Gusteau's to go. Clever little play on words there. And they've got these little pamphlets which show you where all the food booths are for the event here at DCA. And over here is the Elemental table, obviously themed to Pixar's movie Elemental. Now this one I just know is going to be a fan favorite. It's the Four Town Favorites themed to Turning Red. And now stepping onto Radiator Springs in Cars Land, I do believe this sign, or these signs, plural, over here are new for Pixar Fest. You got the Toy Cars Story, Monsters Truck Incorporated, Fueling Nemo, and the Incredicars.
Now you look like a real race car. Read up with a starting line.
That right there, Radiator Springs, still the ultimate GOAT of DCA. That ride never gets old. Now here's something new since our last visit about a year ago. San Francisco Square is now complete here at the park, so we're gonna stroll on through it on our way over to Pixar Pier. You got the Lucky Fortune Cookery. Some more shops over here. Yeah, this looks very different, very unrecognizable from our last visit, for sure. And if you are a Magic Key holder here at Disneyland, for Pixar Fest, you can actually get the Doug popcorn bucket. And of course, couldn't do a Pixar Fest centered video without, of course, picking up at least one food item from one of the booths. This is the Sea Monster Lemonade. It goes for about $7.50. Let's give it a taste right now. Definitely very refreshing on a hot day. It was a little chilly out earlier. I don't think I would have recommended it here in the morning today, but now that the sun is out, it is blue skies. Definitely a refreshing drink here while out at Pixar Fest. And I was stopped over here in Club Pixar, just this little area out in front of Monsters Inc. Mike and Sully to the Rescue. An area that I've actually never walked around the few times that I've been to DCA and this park. They got a nice dance show going on right in front of me. A little drive-in movie theater with some short films for all the kids behind me. They got a lot going on. Definitely if you're young, this is the place to go to get away from all the crazy rides. Well everyone, that's going to do it from today here at the Disneyland Resort and Pixar Fest going on. A lot of great stuff here. it's been almost about a year since I've been back to Disneyland and California, so always a good time. We started the day off rough. Well, originally we weren't even gonna come to the park, but we had a layover, basically coming back from Hawaii, which definitely played a factor into how we got to spend the day on our way back to Orlando. So definitely a great time, totally unplanned. This was a very last minute decision to come to the park, but we had a great time. So guys, thanks for sticking around with me. Got a lot more content coming to you very soon. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Take care.